To set up conversion tracking in Gravity Forms with Conversion Bridge, we first need to go to the Integrations tab. Then we enable the Gravity Forms integration. The next step, since conversions are tracked on a per form basis, is to edit our individual forms. Here in Gravity Forms, we want to find our form, go to Settings, and click on Conversion Tracking. Here with a simple toggle, we can enable conversion tracking. We can then optionally add a label and optionally add a value. For the conversion data section, this is where we can set our enhanced conversion data and also other information onto our analytics and ad platforms. For enhanced data, we want to use the predefined fields, which we'll see when we click the drop-down, such as email, first, and last name. And we select one of those and associate it with the respective field from our form. We can also pass additional field data as well, using our custom key, and then selecting the value. We can do this for radio, select, or any of the different types of field inputs from Gravity Forms. Once we're done, we hit save, and conversion tracking is set up for this form with enhanced conversions. Here in Google Analytics Debug View, we can see all the events that's been captured by GA4. The one most important here is the form submit. If we click on this, we can see all the information that was collected during this conversion event from Gravity Forms. We'll see that in addition to just the form submission, we also pass the form ID and the form name, along with the label, and also our custom data for the radio input. You'll notice that the email and the first and last name were not included because this is personally identifiable information and it's not allowed to go into Google Analytics. And Conversion Bridge is smart enough to know that we should not pass this to analytics platforms and only to our ad platforms. Conversion Bridge will send the form submission event into every platform you've set up. For example, here's our plausible goal for the contact form submission. And in Perch, here's our custom event for the contact form submission. Conversion Bridge can also record conversion journeys for every form submission, and you can find those here in the Gravity Forms area for your entries. This is a single entry, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see the journey that was recorded and all the page views that this person went to before ultimately submitting the form. Conversion journeys can also be added to email notifications. Here for our admin notification, all we need to do is add the conversion journey merge tag into the message. And when that email is sent, then we'll see that conversion journey included in the email notification.